After you watch the video, please subscribe to our channel for more action-packed content. And a thumbs up with a hit to that like button is really appreciated. Thank you.
Approaching on 139, Arkansas, Adam, Tom, Paul, 44 Ida, ATP, 44I. It's on a blue Dodge Grand Caravan.
1052, unconfirmed.
Bull to the right.
CFS received. CFS comments added.
Bull to the right. Bull to the right. We're still rolling. He's not responding to lights or siren. We're taking the 140. Taking the 140.
35's out with 32.
32, 35, I'm letting him get around the corner, can't stop, I'm going to push him off the side.
Okay. 10-4.
CFS comments added.
Forward rock, give him the head. That's 1063, Adam 32, Adam 35, 30 sounds, head for 140. We'll turn on 9th Street. Eastbound on 9th Street, passing Barber. South on Welch. South on Welch. We're going to 37, speed 24 miles an hour. 331. Welch and 10th Street. 35, call it for him if you're secondary.
10-4, reach back on 10th and Welch. Get in front of him, 32.
10-4, South on Welch.
Walk back to me. Turn around, walk back to me. Backwards. Walk back to me. Walk back to me. Walk back. Sir. I got you. I know. I'm tracking. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Stop right there. Stop right there. Go to your knees. Go to your knees. Go to your knees. Sprawl out. Sprawl out. Sprawl out. Lay down forward. Put your hands where I can see them. Sprawl out. Sprawl your hands out. Sprawl your hands out to the side. Both sides. Both sides. Both sides. Both sides. Both sides. All right. You got somebody in the back seat. No, not yet. All right. Go hands on the cuff. Go up to your side, to the other side, to the other side, the other side. Tuck your knees up. Tuck your knees up. Tuck both knees up. I'm gonna help you up, okay? Go back in my car. Good. Y'all got it. You got anything on you? Why you didn't stop? Why you didn't stop? Huh? Why you didn't stop? Why you didn't stop? Yes, sir. Why you didn't stop? Sir, I was right beside you. I came up right beside you. You been drinking today? Have you been drinking today? Huh? You ain't had none too much. I ain't saying if you had too much. I said, have you been drinking at all? You had a little bit? How long ago? About 30 minutes ago? What was it? Little vodka? You already got a court date coming up? All the more reason why you should have stopped. All the reason why you should just stop.
They got something coming and coming on the field, you hear me? All I'm asking you to do is give me a chance, you hear me? You have the right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney and to have a present for you to question. You cannot afford to hire an attorney. It won't be appointed to represent you for a question if you will. So if you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering them. That didn't come to right. Well, why didn't you stop? All the blue lights come all behind you. You got to stop. It doesn't matter. Huh? You had your chance. You're supposed to stop. That was your chance. Come on, come on. Come with me. Sit in there. You need to have a vodka 30 minutes ago. You need to have a vodka 30 minutes ago. Yeah. I smell it on you. Sit back, sit back. Come my way, come my way.
Yeah, I got it. Up before Roosevelt. I was sitting on the side of the road until 6:30. All of a sudden they coming behind me, so that's when I jumped out. He didn't take the 140. He didn't take the 140 until I got beside him. Then he like ducked behind me. I mean, he wasn't going that fast, but I was like, you know. Hey, did you want to grab his ID for this? Yep. I mean, I just do. All right. I got the car wash over there. All right. Where he at? In my back seat on the side.
CFS comments having.
What up? You should have just pulled over, man. I'm gonna put in a person number with me. Yeah. That's my car. No, this is not my car. I told him Hey, all right, how you doing? Didn't I tell you? What's gonna happen? What happened? What happened? Okay. He suspended, he doesn't have license either. He got bought in his license. Yeah, there's 2 more in here. Bottle. Yeah, he been drinking that water about 30 minutes. Cool. What's his name? Rook. Okay. Yeah. White. White, okay.